Ready to draw a kitty that's part cupcake and part awesome? Meet Cakey from Gabby's Dollhouse. First, draw a curved line on top, then an upside down letter V on each side for the ears. Draw a curve coming down from each ear. Then connect them together with a large half-oval shape for the face outline. Make sure it's large enough for the face features. Draw a letter C under the face on the left side. And a mirror image on the other side. Then connect both of them to the bottom of the face to finish the arms. Draw a small line coming down from each arm and connect them together at the bottom with a curved line. Draw a letter U for the leg and another one next to it for the second leg. Inside the face, draw two oval shapes for the eyes. And color them, leaving white spots to show light reflection. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Then draw a sprinkle in the middle for the nose. Draw two half circles coming down from it. And another half circle connecting them in the middle. Then draw the tongue inside the mouth. Let's decorate Cakey with some sprinkles. Draw 3 at the top of the head. Then 2 on each side of the face for the whiskers. To make the paw print, draw an oval sprinkle and 3 circles above it. And do the same on the other arm. It's a sprinkle party! Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface while coloring, leave a smaller line without color or use a white pen or pencil over your colors.